are important points for students everywhere, not just international students. But having studied here, I can definitely say that there are unique challenges that come with it. So, for example, the thing you talked about, having to adapt to a new country, a new education system, adapting to a new culture entirely. And that can also lead to culture shock for many students. I've seen that sort of it brings a lot of confusion, anxiety, uncertainty about how to deal with the sudden change that you're faced with. And it can take a lot of time to reach that kind of acceptance and, find your balance between your home culture and the culture in your host country. So it's something students struggle with a lot. And apart from that, when you move to a new country, your identity shifts a bit, or people's perception of you shifts a bit. So you're Indian, of course, but for many people here, you're going to be South Asian, you're going to be brown, you will be, unfortunately, sometimes an immigrant or an outsider. And that can lead to people treating you differently. There can be discrimination. There have been many incidents I know of where people have um, faced the use of racial slurs, things like that. It's difficult, and I think it can really take a hit on people's self confidence and self esteem when that happens to you. And also, when that happens, you're also socially excluded sometimes, and there will be some people who will actively try to form groups that are different and may not include you because you come from a certain background. And this is also very, very prevalent on campuses sometimes.